/w plus. So find out if we do search of pattern 6 and then text 6. What do you guys think will be the output now for this?
Sachin.
No, but there are two. There are two Sachin state. Which Sachin will get matched there?
Caps lock.
So which means in the first match, why /w means any letters. Okay, any letters. It can be small letter or capital letter and all. Now, so here I want to modify such that I want to get this guy. How to do that?
Beginning with.
Can I put like this? And now I got the first Sachin only because it is matching this guy, but not the second one. So for that, what should you do? Very easy. Input /b. So now I have got the second Sachin. /b means like a boundary. /b stands for boundary. Now look at this. I am putting the pattern something like a S, A, C, H, I, N. Now I'm getting ACH only. Why? Because there is no boundary. So I'm going to modify that guy. Put /b. I'm getting the second Sachin. Okay. So guys, now it is kind of doing for the exact match in the different ways. I want to control that. How to do that? Here, I can also say re.I, which means that ignore case insensitive search. Now I have got the first Sachin. Though I am looking for small Sachin, but I'm getting the capital Sachin. Why? Because I have used a flag called re.I. re.I means what? Ignore case. So it will do a case insensitive search. Guys, any questions so far? Guys, other question. Are you getting some confidence? Meta characters, flags, special sequence, and then search, match, find all. Find all. Any doubts, any question? Search will do anywhere in the search. Match will do only the first thing. Search and match will return you empty if there is no match. Will return you a match object if there is a match. You have starting index, ending index, span, and you can also find the string. If you want to do, so there is flag re.I, and I think there is something called re.verbose as well. When do you use verbose? You know, you can define this. This is where people will use verbose. What does that mean? In the pattern itself, you can say, why am I using caret? Hash symbol, start of the string. Why am I this? Optional country code. All those things you can do. Okay, so now let us execute that. So we are first putting the re.compile. See, normally when you use re.search, first you will give a pattern and then the string. But look at this. re.search pattern and then the string and the flags as needed. But when you do re.compile, the advantage about using re.compile is that in one time itself you will be compiling the pattern and you can use it else anywhere you want in your program. So you will say pattern equal to re dot this guy, then you will say, hey, here it will be pattern dot match, and in bracket you need to give the string. Okay, there re dot search. So the difference people will get confused normally over here. So re dot search and then pattern comma string. Whereas if you do re dot compile, then it would be pattern dot match in bracket string. As you see the difference, re dot search pattern comma string, normal one. If you do re dot compile upfront, then it would be pattern dot match in bracket string. So one advantage about re dot compile is that everything will be ready as you say re dot compile. The pattern will be already compiled. And you can use that at line number 5, line number 50, line number 500, anywhere you want. Re dot compile is supposed to be a little more relatively faster than the other guys. We have completed this. So you do that with re dot verbose and all. Re dot verbose means what? Hey, this pattern you are adding some verbose, some text. So let me execute that. Boolean